I might from become a better guitar player. People tell me all the time, I'm going to quit playing guitar. All kinds of reasons. Fingers hurt, whatever. I hear them all kinds of reasons. Today I'm going to give you my top 5 reasons why you should not quit playing. Reason number 1, remember why you picked up your guitar in the first place and wanted to learn. Was it because you wanted to play guitars with some friends? There were some songs you just wanted to learn to play? Remember those reasons and focus on that. If you take lessons, you're going to have to learn some beginner chords and maybe a few scales along the way, but always remember why you learned in the first place and do that. Focus on the songs you love. Reason number 2, people say, I'm too old. You're never too old to play guitar. In fact, I think my best students are a little older. 75% of the people that watch my YouTube channel are over the age of 65. And the reason why they stick with it is because they're playing guitar because they enjoy playing guitar. Most of them don't plan on becoming rock stars. They just like playing guitar. Reason number 3, people say, I just don't feel like I'm making some progress. I've been playing for 6 months or a year and I don't feel like I'm making any progress. Well, you need to video yourself playing from time to time and look back on it, because I think after 3 months, I think you would notice a definite difference in the level of your playing. If you're focusing on something that's too hard to play and you just can't pull it off, set it aside. You can always come back to it. Learn something else. You might be surprised in 2 months or even a week later, you might be able to play that song or those chords that you just were having a hard time with. Reason number 4 to keep playing. Playing a musical instrument, guitar, or any musical instrument is a social thing. You meet other people that play instruments, you can get together and you can play together. Where I live, there are what they call open jam nights at some bars that have bands to where people can walk in and bring their guitar and play a song they know with the band. You don't have to sing it, you don't have to have a drummer. The house band is the backup band. It's really a lot of fun, and you meet a lot of other guitar players by doing that. Reason number 5, people say they don't have time to practice. You can always find time to practice, I think. It doesn't take a lot. Some people say I have to sit down on Saturday for 5 hours and because that's the only day I have time, and then their fingers hurt because they're doing that. And the truth of the matter is, if you practice 15 minutes, half hour, an hour would be better every day, but you did it every day. You come out ahead, you become a better player, your fingers are in better shape because of it too. Don't continually chase goals when you play guitar. Remember why you learned in the first place. Always remember that you learned it to play because you enjoyed it and you wanted to have fun playing. So focus on the things you enjoy the most and learn songs you love, and you'll never be sorry for it. Thank you and have a good day. And if you like this video, like and subscribe to our channel. It's completely free and it helps us out a lot. Have a great day.